Did she not scream? Of course she would have. Was there nobody who heard her? And was it possible for one man to do this? Why is it that a rapist felt safe enough after raping a woman to go back, and people who came out to protest so that a woman gets justice are attacked by a mob?
Ma'am, Chief Minister gives deadline to CBI to conclude the investigation by Sunday.
Does the Chief Minister of Bengal want to ensure that investigations are not completed in totality? Why is she in a hurry, knowing that these questions are still unanswered? Why did not the Kolkata police bring to justice the officer who has informed the parents that the girl committed suicide? Under whose instruction was that call made? Why is it that a petition says that there was 150 mg of semen found in the girl's body? And why is it that no action, no statement has come out which in some way gives people of our country an understanding as to who the perpetrator or perpetrators of the crime are? Can you imagine a barbaric, brutal act like rape takes place on a floor? Who in the hospital administration thought that renovation should be done? How did that hospital staff know that that area which they hoped to get renovated was also not a part of the crime scene? And is this the first time that this police officer, Commissioner of Police, has been found to be in the middle of a case where many questions are unanswered? I will highlight here that this is the same Commissioner of Police who has been accused of not allowing victims of violence to meet the governor. This is the same police officer against whom a lawyer in the High Court said that he has deliberately fudged an investigation in another gang rape case wherein the rapists were let go. Why would then the state government not ensure that these questions are answered?
मैम 14 तारीख रात को जब पूरा बंगाल इसमें शामिल था, मोमबत्ती मिছিল किया, बहुत ने शोक भी मनाया, तभी देखा गया कि मॉब का अटैक हुआ। जब मॉब का अटैक हो रहा था आरजीकर में, इतना दिन तक जो पुलिस था 40 मिनट के लिए कोई पुलिस ही नहीं था उधर। और
मैंने कुछ चैनल्स के ऊपर हॉस्पिटल के कर्मियों का और कुछ डॉक्टर्स और हेल्थ वर्कर्स का स्टेटमेंट देखा, जिसमें वो क्लेम करते हैं कि पुलिस उनसे गुजारिश कर रही थी कि आप हमको हॉस्पिटल में कहीं छुपाइए। इस घटना का भी क्या मीडिया को पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार से जवाब मिला है? जब पुलिस ही मॉब से छुप रही है, जब पुलिस ही मॉब को इकट्ठा होने दे रही है, तो जनता प्रोटेक्शन किससे मांगे?